Islamic Institute, University of the Islamic Institute Study, University of the Philippines, Diliman, at ng pati yang si Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle of Catholic Biblical Federation, at si Pastor Peter Tanchi, at Minister President ng Jehovah's Witnesses, at si Dr. Israel Berhiles ng Seventh-day Adventist, at ng The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints Philippines, Reverend President Lutheran Church of the Philippines, President Reverend Antonio Reyes, United Church of Christ of the Philippines, Bishop Roel O. Marixza Jr., at sina Rabbi of Judaism in the Philippines and Imam of Islam of Islamic Federation of the Philippines, nag-endorsement, at ang iba pang celebrity na 200 celebrities po ito, mga artista, aktor at actress ng endorsement, si Brother Eddie Villanueva for President, at si Attorney Alex Lacson for Vice President. This 22 ng endorso ng Team Bangon Philippines Party, Team Brother Eddie, Kuya Alex. This 2028. God bless you all. Sana all po, puri ng Panginoon, na makapanginap Diyos po ito. Ito po ang ideolohiya ng Team Bangon Philippines Party, Team Brother Eddie, Kuya Alex, na Kristiyano Demokrasya, Kristiyano na iwan, Christian left, at social conservatismo. At ang political position ng Bangon Philippines Party ay Kristiyano center left on economics, at center right on social and moral issues of the Christian democracy in the Philippines. And youth wing, Bangon Kabataan, will be Winaswan, at ang Bangon Philippines Party headquarters at 4th floor, Imperial Bay Crown Hotel Tower, Apolinar Mabini Street, Malati, Manila, Philippines. Sana all nang panalo natin to si Brother Eddie Villanueva for President, at si Attorney Kuya Alex Lacson for Vice President po ito. Pumunta si President Bongbong Marcos sa Bangon Pilipinas Party, at si Attorney Kuya Alex Lacson sa Bangon Pilipinas Party sa Mabini Street, Malati, Manila, na broadcasting media po ito sa radyo at television.